Hi guys, I'm doing some more intricate work. Real quick, I'll pan around and show you what I've done over the past couple of days. These are the front tow hooks that attach to the front bumper. Those are the nuts that hold them down, and here are the 6 bolts. And then this piece here is the steering column support. It attaches to the firewall inside the cab and then to the inside of the dash behind the steering column. And then this collar right here holds everything together. So I had to make a new foot right here because the 2 ears had broken off. That wasn't too hard. It's pretty easy. So I also have the gauge faceplate and the switch panel. Oh yeah, and here are all the lock washers, 6 lock washers for those bolts. Anyway, so those are ready to be painted, and today I'm doing a little bit of intricate work. Before I left Southern California, I found another truck. I'll put a link to the description in the section of this video. Sometimes sacrifices have to be made. This truck that I found in West Covina had a severely bent frame, and a lot of the parts that I harvested from that truck, like this main wire harness junction box, were on it. This was missing from the truck that I bought. Anyway, so the opening picture shows this technical maintenance manual, and it's TM10-1557, and it supersedes TM10-1127. TM10-1127 was the first manual for this truck, one of the first manuals for this truck that was published, I believe, in late 1940. So, maintenance manual, 1.5 ton 4x4 Chevy truck, and these are all the model numbers. And my truck falls under this contract number. A lot of people don't know that the Department of Defense was actually the War Department in World War II and earlier. So this manual is dated July 1st, 1942, and my truck is October 42. So everything that's in this manual will cover the parts that are in my truck. And here we have a simplified wiring schematic for the entire truck, and a diagram of the inside of the junction box. And I needed this because I didn't remember that the row of 4 connections go at the very bottom, and then 1, 2, 3 all go on the top like that. So I've cleaned 2 of them, and I have 2 more to go. It's pretty easy, I mean, there's a lot of parts to do, and basically I'm just a maid cleaning house working on this old truck, but it's fun. So I have my I know there's a little bit of glare today. We have a high pressure over western Washington, and sorry about the glare, but I have a really soft wire wheel in my drill press here, and I'll start it up and I'll clean this one. Hopefully you guys will be able to see it. it gets snatched out of my fingers and flies across the shop. Then I gotta go look for it. A little aggravating. So I'll do another one, the last one. It's kind of dirty. You know, we've got to have good electrical connections. Pushing too hard on that one. Anyway, you guys got a shot of my mug. Yeah, almost wanted to go for a ride again. All right, so that was pretty easy. So that's what it looks like. I have to go buy some short machine screws. 1032 I believe is the thread. They'll be flatheads, as much as I hate them, but I have, that's what was correct. These are the screws that hold the electrical connections down, which are here. I might be able to reuse those, but there's a company back east, Vintage Wiring of Maine, and what they do is they take the vinyl coated wire, modern vinyl coated wire, and they have a braiding machine that wraps, yeah, that's not going to focus, that wraps the wire in the correct color coded fabric. Back in the day, the wires were rubber coated and then covered with the fabric, and then they had the moisture fungal protectant sprayed onto it. And you know, if you ever wonder why these old cars and trucks lasted so long, is because you know, quality back then, and made in America meant something. Made in the USA, I should say. But anyway, I'll keep my opinion out of it. This is the build process of a truck, not any political or self-opinionated videos. Anyway, hope everybody's having a great Tuesday, and thanks for watching. Later.